final thing about being strategic is when you're going through your past papers and you're working through them, before you might start writing something for a question, I would say practice looking at the question and going, what topic or multiple topics is this? It could be just one, the first few questions are normally just one topic, aren't they? And then towards the end half of the paper, they start to combine them. So you go, okay, well, initially it looks like circle graphs, let's say, but actually underneath, there's also some Pythagoras in there. Well, there could be some Pythagoras in there. There's also ones where I've seen for bearings. Okay, initially this looks like a bearings question, but actually underneath, there's also sine or cosine rule included. And you might not think that those two things would mix. So I like to go through and practice that kind of thought process in my head and go, okay, what is this question? Not necessarily what is it asking me, but what topics are involved here? And that's a really, really good skill to have. So you can start pulling information from, okay, yeah, this is what I know about bearings, that might be relevant. This is what I know about sine and cosine rule, that might be relevant. Then when you're working through the question, you can see how they might mix. Sometimes it's not obvious if there's multiple topics until you've worked through it. That's fine. But as you go, just go, oh yeah, now there's Pythagoras. Okay, that could also be mixed in with something else, because we're not necessarily always aware that that could happen.